Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and today I will be bringing you some news regarding Bitcoin and which one will be my predictions regarding the Bitcoin price and the market in general for the rest of April and May. There has been some big news in the last weeks regarding many of the cryptocurrencies, but there are some news in Cointelegraph that I really share. I think represent my opinion too. So I will check that with you guys. First of all, this one. Bitcoin holds 8,000 price point amid warnings fast growth could see lows return. This is also the same that I am thinking. We have been in April with a stress in the cryptocurrency price, especially Bitcoin, going a little up and downs. Like say here, Bitcoin price are holding steady today, April 19, 1 week after a surprise surge took a cryptocurrency up 1,000 to reach above 8,000 in the space of 30 minutes. We remember that. He makes some analysis and he mentioned here Tony Bates, which is a cryptocurrency YouTuber. And like he commented, if we can get into an area of 8,600, it's very possible that the price will be exhausted, he told viewers on the last edition of his podcast. Just a week ago, Bitcoin was trading below 7,000 and return to that zone will occur in the event prices escalate too quickly towards 9,000 bases. That's something that I share. I think for the rest of April, Bitcoin, if Bitcoin hits a little more the price over the 9,000, then we can see a low price trend on Bitcoin and in the market in general to over the 7,000, 500,000 again, like in the last part of April and beginning of May. And then from now on, we will start making some big jumps in the prices on Bitcoin and the general market to go up and maybe return to the 11,000 of Bitcoin, and from there starting to grow in the Bitcoin price and the market in general. Like I say, I think May is one of the biggest change pricing months for us, and I really believe that financial money, institutional money will enter in May into the crypto market, and that will make growth very fast in the summer, the market in general. Well, he mention here some of the news regarding, because Tim Draper and the CNBC economist Brian Kelly last week talk about the price of Bitcoin and how it will be increasing in the summer also. So I think this is where I am making in my analysis. This is the information that I take for my analysis, and I think this is a very possible thing that could happen in the short term. Now, going to the medium and long term with Bitcoin, we have this article with 3 predictions of what could happen to Bitcoin in the future, and says Bitcoin headed for 100,000 or $100. CEO's big investor and Harvard economist prediction. This also represents my opinion. The first prediction here is institutional investors' money will increase Bitcoin price. I am talking about this from the last month and a half. The CEO of American Express, back startup Abra, has predicted that big investors will make all hell break loose. In a recent interview with Business Insider, he mentioned that there is currently little large-scale institutional money in cryptocurrencies, and when this changes, the impact on Bitcoin price will be very positive. Okay, again, I'm completely agree with this. The market is still young. There are not many institutional money in it. So, and he explains a little why this could be happen, why the institutional money is not already in the market. and it's all related to the scalability and the problems of the blockchain. We have many infrastructure projects regarding blockchain, like could be Ethereum, Silica, which is mentioned here, and I think it's a particular great project. I already did a video about Silica. Neo, Nano, a lot of infrastructure projects that are working on scalability of the blockchain. That will mean more transactions per second, more secure blockchain, and the scalability is the big issue. So again, I'm very positive regarding this prediction. I think when institutional investors get into the market, that will be a non-stop growth. Of course, we will have ups and downs in the market, but I think we will not going back to a 7,000 price in the Bitcoin, for example. The second prediction here is that a decade from now, Bitcoin is more likely to be worth $100 than $100,000. This is another analysis for a hardware economist. I agree with that too. I think Bitcoin is the mother of all coins right now, but in the future, and we are already seeing that a little bit with some cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin will lose his predominance in the market, and many of the altcoins will start to grow and taking the first positions in the market and being separate between the ups and downs of Bitcoin regarding the altcoins. I think the cryptocurrency market will be only full in the next years with solid projects, with projects that really impact in the real life or get some news regarding technology and the use of blockchain, or projects that make better any aspect of the economy using blockchain. Also, blockchain is the revolution here, and I think Bitcoin as initial coin was okay, but we will get out of Bitcoin in, like say this article, from here to the next 5 or 10 years. I don't see a future in Bitcoin. That's only my opinion. I think best altcoins will take the first places in the market, and many projects that we have right now in the market also will disappear because they don't have a solid project or solution to impact in the real world. So I think the rest of 2018 and the next 2 years will be very determined in the crypto market. Well, the third prediction here is that I don't know really about this. I am not too into the gold and silver markets, but he says that Bitcoin's price will follow a downward trend after CME futures launch in December 2017. Basically here is analyzing that Bitcoin it could follow the downtrend like another commodities like the silver, gold, uranium, etc. But I don't really share that opinion. I think that even the dollar is going down or the gold and silver go down, I think the crypto market has the opportunity to take a uptrend, being a part of that kind of commodities. So that will be the news regarding Bitcoin and the market in general. Passing to another nice comments, I will say NASA funds development of autonomous spacecraft that use blockchain. The National Aeronautic and Space Administration has awarded a new grant that supports the development of an autonomous spacecraft that could make decisions using blockchain technology without human intervention. News outlet space.com reported yesterday. So I think this is a cute and very good news that NASA is using blockchain, and it will be using the Ethereum based blockchain technology. So this is more confirmation that Ethereum is not going to disappear. All the opposite, they are also working in the scalability of the project. So that's nice. This is another thing that I like. Dow Jones Media Group and Brave blockchain platform to test consent-based ads. This is regarding basic attention token. I did a video regarding the top 7 altcoins like a couple of weeks before, and I talked about basic attention token like one of the altcoins that could really grow in the near future, and it did. After this confirmation partnership, the basic attention token upped like a 30%. So I already invested in this token a couple of months before. So I still think that when the market downs a little bit, you can get this token in a nice price. But I think a lot of future in this project. The Dow Jones Media Group and the blockchain-powered privacy-oriented web browser Brave have formed a partnership to test blockchain technology in digital advertising, according to a press release published yesterday. Brave, which was developed by Brent H., creator of JavaScript and the co-founder of Mozilla, raised $35 million in 30 seconds during the initial coin offering ICO for the basic attention token. Through its new partnership with the Dow Jones Media Group, the Brave browser reports it will provide access to either Dow Jones Media Group's brands, Barons.com, or the MarketWatch newsletters to a limited number of users, as the two sites will become verified publishers on Brave's BAT platform. According to Adweek, Brave browser users earn BAT tokens by engaging with ad content from verified publishers, now including these two Dow Jones Media Group brands. The platform reports that BAT token can then be used to pay for premium content. I will not explain if you don't know which is basic attention token. I did a video about that in my top 7 altcoins, so you can check it there. Okay guys, this is all for now. I hope you enjoy the information. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and like the video. Thank you very much, happy trading and goodbye.